Creating a stunning Midwest garden, tips and tricks. Welcome to our guide on creating a beautiful garden tailored specifically for the unique climate of the Midwest. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, we've got some fantastic tips to help you. Transform your outdoor space into a stunning oasis of natural beauty. First things first, let's talk about choosing the right plants. In the Midwest, we experience a range of temperatures throughout the year, from hot summers to cold winters. It's essential to select plants that can thrive in these conditions. One of the best choices for Midwest gardens is hardy perennials. These plants come back year after year, providing consistent beauty without the need for replanting. Some popular options include Coneflowers, black-eyed Susans, and Daylilies. Next, let's discuss soil preparation. Healthy soil is the foundation of a successful garden. In the Midwest, we often have clay-heavy soil, which can be challenging for plants. To improve drainage and fertility, consider adding organic matter such as compost or peat moss. Mixing in organic matter not only helps with drainage, but also adds essential nutrients to the soil, promoting plant growth and vitality. Now, let's talk about watering. Summers in the Midwest can be hot and dry, so it's crucial to keep your garden adequately hydrated. Water deeply and infrequently to encourage deep root growth and drought resistance. Aim to water in the early morning or late evening to minimize evaporation and ensure that your plants receive the moisture they need. Another key aspect of creating a beautiful garden is proper maintenance. Regular pruning, weeding, and mulching can help keep your garden looking its best year-round. Pruning promotes healthy growth and flowering, while mulching helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. And don't forget to pull those weeds before they have a chance to take over. Lastly, don't forget to add some personal touches to make your garden uniquely yours. Whether it's a cozy seating area, decorative accents, or whimsical garden art, let your creativity shine. By following these tips and embracing the beauty of the Midwest climate, you can create a garden that not only enhances your outdoor space, but also brings you joy and tranquility for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey too. Create a stunning Midwest garden. Happy gardening, and we'll see you next time.